welcome again. It's Isaac Adebiyi here, and in this video course you'll be learning how to create a simple graphic design. Okay, it's just an about me design. You refer to it as probably a welcome design or an about me design, the kind of design you send to people that are just joining your list. Okay, so let's very simple. Let's just change our color to white. Okay, and then the very first thing we'll do is we'll go and import our image. Since this is a design about you want to probably tell people what you do and things like that. So let's go to my image, and then let me get my image. So I'm going to be using this image. All right, so I'll just be putting it to one side of my design, like this simple. Okay, let me just move it inside a little bit. Okay, now you can see that this particular part of the design, it has edges, like it's somehow, and we can't just leave it like this. Now we're going to be doing something now I want to really pay attention to. Now I just created a shape now, and then let me size it up like this. I'm touching these things to actually move it. See, I'm touching them. Okay, so now I'm going to move downward, and then you can see stroke. I'll increase stroke like this, change the color here to white, and then increase my blur radius also, and then I'll click on OK. After doing that, I'm going to go down to shadows, click on shadows, change the color of shadow to white, increase the blur radius to 25. Then go to the next one, click on inner shadow, also do the same thing. It's very simple, and that's all. Okay, so now when I'm done with this, I'll go here and click on opacity. I'll reduce opacity to 0. Now after doing that, I will now start spreading it out. Spread it out properly, and then I'm going to spread it down very well. And once I do it, you can see now it's creating an effect. So you can see the effect it's creating for us now. So, and then you can see the effect. All right, nice. So this is the exact effect that we want. So it's looking like a fading shadow. It's not really it's now creating an effect, not just an edge that is just bent. Now this is a design that I called about me. So let's just type in about me. This is where you just tell people about you, about me. Yeah, good. And then I will change my font to let's change the font to this same font we'll be using. And then I will put in my background. Okay, all right, so we'll be using this color as a background color, this one. Let me make it brighter like this. Yeah, I'll make it brighter, and then I'll change my color to white. Okay, so now let's just put it here. Let's zoom in properly so we'll see what we are doing. Zoom in properly. Now let's get in our arrow, the lines. You just click on this place to get your lines, and then you click on this place so you can move your lines. We did this yesterday, and then we just move this here like this. All right, so let's just put it down, move it down, and then we'll make sure it's aligned to the line right here, to this straight line aligned to it. So let's zoom out now. Okay, so now I'm going to go and get in let me increase my padding. I did not even touch my padding, so I'll increase my, I touched it, increase my padding to over 8, and then top, then 3. Okay, so let's reduce the size a little bit more. I think this is too big. Yeah, 26. All right, so now let me go and get in the information I want to put here, because I don't want to waste time on this video. All right, so I've gotten my text. I'll just edit it. I can just paste in my text right in. So this is the text. My name is Isaac Adebiyi. I'm an entrepreneur, a graphic design coach, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's change our text also to I think we should just use the normal text. We should just use the normal text for the application. So size it up like this, and make sure it's just at this side. Okay, nice. There's no space, so I will move my image a little bit inside here, and then remove this effect that we did inside too. Okay, so let me reduce the size to 22 or 24. Okay, so let's zoom in and check our alignment also. Okay, check the alignment now. All right, and then we space it out. I just clicked on this one here, the line spacing. I want to space it out a little bit. Okay, so zoom in now. Okay, now so you can see My name is Isaac Adebi. Okay. Now, next thing I want to do is probably I want to put in my contacts. Let me just put in my contacts. My contact information. Here I'll just put in my phone number 0. Let me put in my phone number 09066477086. Okay. Okay, now so my contact information is actually important. So we're going to be using a bold. Okay, let's just use that same font. I'll just bolding it here. I'll just bolding it, and then I'll make it bigger because it's more important to me. Yeah. So when they see, they can actually contact me. So let's align this also. Okay, and then I'll just put this right. No, I'm copying it. Yeah, I'll just put it right, align it right there also. That same line, the same straight line downwards. Okay, now after doing this now, we are almost through with the design, and then we can leave it this way actually, but let's still do something else. Let me move the elements up, move this up to like this. Okay, so now let's say we're now adding another shape. We want to add in a shape here, and then we're going to reduce the opacity of that shape again and put in just one stroke, and just put it here like this. Okay, so let's zoom in again and see. So putting the shape in the middle of this. Okay, contact information. All right. So now we are through with our design now. So this is a very simple design, another very simple design, and then you can see how very simple it is, and then it's also follow the principle of alignment. The principle of alignment. 37. All right. So this is very nice, very nice design, very nice design. So you can see about me, you can see the information. Now the main information are actually in smaller text, and then you can see the contact information is bigger. This about me also, it's big, but it's not too big. But you can see the color is already calling attention. When somebody opens design, it's going to see my image, and then you see, okay, this is about me, and then you can see the information. You can also see my contact information is bolder. So this is just simple, and then you can also see the alignment. They are all aligned on the straight line, apart from this line that is here, and this you understand that, okay, this is just a design, but every other thing is aligned on a straight line. And one thing you should notice is this: my designs are not at the edge of this thing, my designs are actually inside of it. So these are very simple designs, but I want you to actually practice these things, these designs, and then replicate them. When I say replicate, do the same thing with your own picture and also with your own content. So make sure you practice this and make sure you do your assignment. Now this is the two, these are the two designs, the very first one and then this one, or this one and the second one, whichever way I send the videos. I hope you understand. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and make sure to practice. Thank you very much.